Hello friends. Here I am on my PC. I just want to show you how you can just copy data from Excel sheet to Google Sheet. How can you just take your data to from Excel to Google Sheet? Sometimes, as I have this Excel like this one, I cannot share people to make changes in in a way that I can just immediately see the change. And to do it in a good way is to take this data to Excel to Google Sheet. Now let's copy the data that we have here in this Excel sheet and paste them in Google Sheet so that we can share and people start making changes. Let me select from here to the rest person down here and I copy. Let me just hold Ctrl C to copy. And I open a browser, and after opening a browser I go to the 9 dot, or you can just click to Gmail and log in to click on Drive. But if you have just signed in, there is no need. You can click on this 9 dot and just click on Drive. And once Drive, your Google Drive is opened, you can just go here to New. You go here to New, and then you go to Google Sheet. I click to Google Sheet. Now I have my Google Sheet here. It is entitled spreadsheet. It's entitled Google Sheet. I can just click here to give it a name. Let me just say I call it a hot one. Hot one. Hot one report. I can just say hot one score. Hot one score. And here I can just hold the Control V to paste. Here you see I have the data that I had in Excel. Now I just I upload my data from Excel to Google Sheet. You can just resize. You can even click here to select all and resize in the same in the way they can just have the same column, the column of the same size. And here you see you have I can just keep scrolling here. I can just resize, and I can I can just edit and put another column. Maybe I just put another column, and I just click here to copy the format. Here there is a painter, there is a paint format. I just take it to here. Here I just want to put here status. Maybe this is an exam. If it is an exam, there is no status here, and here I'm just showing you that I can just edit the data that I have just copied from Excel and now edit them in Google Sheet if I want. And here I can even just put a formula. All formulas that we use in Microsoft Excel can also work in Google Sheet. Let me just put equal sign. Let me put a logical test if, and let me say if I open a parenthesis, then this is a logical expression. If the data here is greater or equal to 75, and I just return. If the value is true, you can see I just want the return of pass. I just want pass, and I quote. We always quote once we are just typing text in a formula. And what if the value is false? When the value is false, I just want the return of fail. Just let me type fail, and I quote again. I close parenthesis, and I hit enter. And here you see here there is automatic suggestions. Here there is autofill. Once I just want the Google Sheet to continue to copy the formula down, I just have to accept the suggestion, or I can just reject the suggestion. Now let me accept the suggestion. Or you can just click here on pass and scroll down to copy the formula here. And here my formula has been copied. I can select and put bold. I can just have to bold all cells. You can see. Now here you see people that have score that is greater than or equal to 75 have passed the test. And this is a status. I can copy the font too. I can just copy the format paint. I can just copy it from up to down to the last person, and you see they have the same font. And even if I just want to share this to people to view, I can just even share this to people to make some changes, to edit. I can just put another column here. Let me copy the format. I can just put a region. Maybe I just want to know the region of those people, where they have just to fill in the region. Maybe I just want them to fill the region, the regions that they want to work. Maybe we have jobs. You have job in different district, in different provinces, and I just want them to choose. And here, let me just bold. Let me just bold. Just want to select up to the last person and bold. And bold again. Can just bold. And see, I have a table that I just want people to fill in. And I just want to give this data to people to fill in, and this was not possible once it is Excel sheet. For Excel sheet, you cannot just send to people to edit, to make changes in real time. While here you can just make changes in real time. Whatever they type, you can immediately see it. And how to share this? I go to share here. I go to share. And within share here there is owner, and this is restricted. These restrictions where you can just choose if you want people to comment, you want people to edit, you want people to view. Only people with access can open the link. I can just click here to choose anyone with the link. What can someone with the link do? If anyone with the link, I can just select here too, can comment, can just edit, can view. I can just make I just want them to make changes, just want them to edit. I can copy the link, then here I can just click on done, and here I have the link. I can just click here. Let me open another tab and copy the link here. I can even copy the link at on any social media that I want people to use it, and once the people just put the link in the browser, they will just have this. They can even just fill in this way using smartphones, using any gadget that can just be able to access the internet. And you can even just give them the link to via email. You can just send the link via email. And here you can see here, let me type maybe here I just want to put west to see if that will see the real-time changes. I can just put north. I can just put up there south, and let me just move here to the left to my sheet, and see, you can see there is a real-time here there is a real-time changes, and whatever every person here changes, whatever every person just here type here as a change, I can immediately see it here on my sheet, and I can just take my sheet back. Once they are done filling, once they are done filling in what I just ask them to fill in or to view what to comment if there is comment if there is if I needed just a comment from them. I just go there to file. I can go to file and take back my Excel file. I can go to file, I go to download, and then I take I choose. I can choose Excel, odds, PDF, HTML. I can just CSV. You can choose the format you want. If I just need Excel, I can choose Excel, and I just take back my Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet will be filled. The region will be there. You see, you can just copy the data that you have in Excel and paste them in a Google Sheet to share with the different people so that they can make some changes. You can just make changes. You can also make changes in a Google Sheet without taking it back to Excel to edit. You can make some changes if you want, and you can share to people to fill in what they want. If you just want them to fill some data, if you just want them to link some comments. And guys, this is how you can just go from Excel to Google Sheet to for making the easy sharing. And guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you just want to keep watching the videos like this one in the future, please hit subscribe button, and see you next time.